na ako na. Eh, may susulot para agad king ako ah. Susunti. This is the Mori Tower. Wow, so many lights. Julie, what can you say?
Super ganda.
You.
Super. At last.
We're now in the main observatory and you can see the skyscrapers of Tokyo. That's the Mori Tower. That's the taxi. Oh, there's Pilo. That's Daddy. Daddy. This is the highway. Wow.
Ohio.
Sugoi desu.
Konnichiwa.
What can you say?
It's very beautiful.
No, it's not beautiful. It's fabulous.
Whatever we are.
Julie, what can you say?
It's perfect. No, it's not. I have one mistake.
Now you can see the Rainbow Bridge. That's the Rainbow Bridge. And that's the Ferris wheel.
You are sure?
One of the biggest Ferris wheel.
The whole universe. You are sure?
That's the shrine, so very dark.
How many gardens?
It has a lot of gardens.
That's a lot.
5,000 gardens.
Oh, what? That's so beautiful.
Yes.
I know, it's many.
When you visit Philippines, you can see the view is so very
Ugly.
yeah. No building.
Philippines, pag-begging kubit-kubit lang.